you go? Are you under there? Where did you go? Oh, there you are. Both of you. What are you doing? Did you eat all your food? Did you eat all your food? What did you do? Yes, you ate all your food. That is in that one. That one right there. Yes. Walk over here, my child. Be free. Be free to do your own bidding. I see you, Tweety. I see you, Green Tail. Sammy, you whore. What are you doing? I see that you ran around the corner and you look at me. Oh, you're such a dick. You went back in your hiding hole. Oh, I see you peeking. There you are. What do you do? Don't be making... Oh. I think they're making out. Oh. Don't run out of your hiding hole. You just stay in there. You dumbass fly, you aren't part of this. Oh, stop your running. If you needed food, I'll treat you like a good boy and put it in your bowl. Oh yes, your bowl. Something that you don't understand. Oh, the bird. The bird flew all the way. All the way up there. Okay, Tweety. Oh, no remorse. No remorse. Okay, you're looking at me like I'm crazy. But you are the crazy one. See, you are running back and forth. And you're flying to the bottom one. First time down there, you run like that. And you start running back. Oh, you're going to be a good birdie marathon runner. Now you, Tweety. You are just going to be a poop. Piece of poop. You're older than that one. And yet, you stay right there. In human years, you were 4 years old. It's pretty goddamn old. Because none of my animals ever lived that long. But you go by the fish. A fish, I remember. No, that was Tweety who fell in there. Tweety would have died if it wasn't... Oh. You son of a bitch, you're tricky. And you, Tweety, you're a good one. You're good. You're a good birdie. And Sammy, you suck. Oh, don't you look at me. No remorse. Okay, now what we do? We look at this. Skype. People. Minecraft. And for the ending of this video, there's one more thing that I shall show you. Oh, look at this. It's over 300 years old. 300 years old. If you want to, you can pause the video right here and you can read that. Even though, yeah, you can read it all. But this is very old. But not as old as the bird Tweety. Tweety, we love you. You do know that, right? We love you. Okay? Oh, Sammy, do you love me too? Don't. Get over here. Come here. Okay. Well, people, I am going to say goodbye. I look like a dumbass. I look like this. A dumbass. Me? Le dumbass. Half up, half down. I'm a dumbass. Put it down. End the video. I love you! Look yourself in the eye. And tell me what you see.
You see nothing. Exactly. Goodbye.